at it here on Cream Puff. Try to move forward with our frame notch we got going on now. We got our pieces ready to go in and all. Got the frame pretty much prepped right now. You see we took a power brush and cleaned the chassis up a little bit. It just makes the plasma cut a lot nicer when the metal's pretty decently clean anyway, I guess you would say. But what we're gonna try to do, you see right there where the two pieces of channel are welded together factory, we're just gonna follow that line all the way around. Like I said, it'll give us probably about another 1/2 inch or so, give or take, a little less, a little more, just depends on how we do it. And we're gonna go in here and probably cut this a little short at the ends, just so, you know, we don't want to overcut to where our piece of metal fits in. We'll just kind of trial and error. We'll mark everything about where it should be at, and we'll cut on the inside of those lines. So let's get after it. I guess you guys see we got our fire blanket already threw over the rear end and all, so we don't have to worry about damaging the paint or the new rear end or anything of that matter, just so we ain't got to worry about it. So let's jump into things, guys. I think we got it cut out for the most part. Let's see if we can get it out here now. There we go. Get it where we can expose what we got. Good deal. Good deal. And as you see, we've had plenty of critters and dust and nests and all kinds of acorns and, you know, part of a car sitting for ever, a long time. The cut doesn't look the best, but like I said, we're gonna clean that up, fit our new piece before we move forward. Yeah, you get the idea. See if we can't get our other piece fabbed up here. We got everything cut out and fitted up. The piece fits well. Did a little grinding action on it too. I believe everything's gonna go together nicely. Like I said, you still see some of the hard cut stuff up there. Used the grinder and cleaned everything up best we can. It'll weld in perfect. Won't be no problems, you know. It'll all go together smoothly, but I figure we get a little before action before we go ahead and throw this piece in here and start doing a little welding. All right, let's get it. Got our piece all fitted up. Everything come together nicely. One thing about it, guys, when you go across the frame, you know, tacking every spot, try to get you a big pair of these C-clamps. They're vice grips, but you can go to Harbor Freight or any local tool hardware place will have these things. They're not very much, but as you go along the frame, try to pinch this piece of metal every time you tack it to make sure it's actually touching everywhere. It'll make it a lot easier in the long run. All right, guys, got her all welded up. Everything fit pretty good. Got our side pieces in and made everything together. It all turned out pretty good, I believe. Get a little paint on this thing. We should be good to go. Definitely a lot more room than it was. You can see how much we cut out of it. But it's all braced back together now. Everything looks good. We get a little paint on it, we'll be good to go. We'll move to the other side. Guys, we got her all painted up. It's probably gonna do it for this side. Everything turned out really well. It's all welded in there, solid. We ain't gonna have to worry about it now. We know we can fit a good wheel in the back. All right, guys, back over here to the passenger side. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this side out. We've already marked our lines, so we know about where the metal's gonna lay at. We usually cut on the left side of the line anyway, just to make sure. We don't wanna cut too much to start with right out the gate, so let's get on to it. Well, we got it all cut out. Let's see if we can't get the plate itself off. It's only held on by a little bit. I usually like to leave a little spot just where we can have something where it don't fall right on your hands. There we go. Go back and do a little trimming. We'll make sure our piece fits and do a little grinding. We'll be ready to go back together. Stay tuned. Well, we got everything fitted up. You just got to burn it in. This side right here, for some reason, the frame channel up here was a little wider at the top than the other side. I mean, you see it's level at the bottom, but there's some sticking up at the top of it. It ain't no big deal. We'll burn it in. It ain't gonna matter a bit, but got our plates tacked in that we cut up. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and burn it in. Got everything back together, guys. Figured we'd show y'all a little look. Our drive shaft finally did come in. Got the drive shaft in it. New rear shocks. It's Competition Engineering's. Went on and had some new tires mounted on our back wheels and our frame notch and all, man. It turned out perfect. You guys see we got plenty of room now. I mean, you can stick your whole hand up between the tire and the factory frame rail, so real happy with that. We got our brake lines ran. Did run into a little issue where the shocks ended up at. They were straight in line with the shocks itself, so I ended up using a 1/8" MPT 90 bushing and just kind of got it out of the way though. But we routed up around everything, and I actually went on the top of the housing right here where the upper control arm mounts are. I drilled a little bitty hole on both sides just where we could mount that stainless brake line, not have to worry about it, you know, bending or anything, but it went right back in the factory location up here too. So everything turned out really good, guys. I was really happy with it. We got our fuel tank back in. As you see, we still did not cut out the spare tire wheel yet. Save that one for a later day, but yeah, all the calipers and all clear the factory, or the 10-inch wheels, the welds, we don't have any issues with any of that. So that being said, everything else is together, and we'll go try to take it for a drive, see how this thing does with the new 411s and all in it. I'm actually really excited to drive it, so we'll catch you here in a few minutes. All right, we're out cruising to Monte Carlo a little bit. Old cream puff, trying to see how this new 9-inch does. So far, so good, guys. Everything seems to be doing really well. This thing's loud, though, I tell you. Can't wait for those mufflers to come in. So far, yeah, I'm real happy with it. I'm real happy with everything. Wait and see, we got some cars coming here. just got back to the shop here, y'all. Very happy with the way the Monte Carlo turned out. Man, that thing is just fun as can be. I really enjoy the way it worked out, though. I mean, honestly, couldn't ask for no better. Thanks a lot to the guys at Quick Performance, as always. I mean, I've been dealing with them for a very long time. You're not going to find a better company to deal with, though, man. I mean, hassle-free. Anything you have to ask, question-wise, anything, man, they will be Johnny on the spot. They've always been good to me, and big thanks to Trick Chassis. Their parts worked out really well. Everything bolted right in as they should. I'm happy with the way the wheels fit up under the car. All the frame knots turned out good, but probably going to end this one off here, guys. Once again, I appreciate all the support. Like, subscribe, drop a comment down there, and let me know what you guys think. And we'll definitely try to keep things rolling here and keep the videos coming out for you guys. But either way, enjoy this last little clip I got for you guys. You're really going to like it. We'll see you on the next one.